Hey, good morning everyone. Munir Bahar, Core Construction, and we are at the farmhouse rebuild. So I'm going to just take you through a walkthrough of where we are so far in the process and explain just a few things. I don't want to talk too much, but just want people to see things where they are in the beginning process. Even though we're not at the very beginning, we have done the structural work of the house so far. So I'll go through that. Good thing everything is still open so you're able to see it. So we are at the property, and I will say it's a beautiful property. It's 3.27 acres, and can't even see the bulk of it. It's actually over there. That part is about 2 acres of just flat land, but a lot of green space. This is my guy, Mr. Edwards here. A lot of green space, and a beautiful 98-year-old farmhouse. So we've just let me say 80%, 85% finished the outside, let's say, shell of the building. We put a 1/2-inch zip board attached with an inch of isofoam insulation, so a total of 1.5 inches sheathing, and that has a R6 value. So I definitely thought it was wiser, economically, functionally, efficiency wise, to wrap the house with some insulation on the outside. If I could have afforded, I would have done 2 inches of insulation, but you know, these projects are always done on a budget. But this is where we are, and again, we got things pretty much wrapped up, even all the way up top. Those 2 little attic protrusions with the windows up there. Any openings you do see will be door or window openings. So still got quite a bit of work left, but we've done a lot of work in just let's say about a month and a half. We've gone through 9 dumpsters. I'm sorry, we've gone through 10 dumpsters. This is the 11th one, but 10 dumpsters of trash, debris, structural elements. So now let's go up in the house. We have this wide open doorway. It's 64.5 inches, so I have options. This actually gives me some door options. You know, I may find a door with 1 side light window or 2 side light windows, and I can frame out the rest for whatever space I don't use. This is the first floor. Best thing I love about this is what we've done here. 2 big, huge, almost 8-foot glass windows, 8-foot by 4-foot windows, and it's going to be insulated windows, and you'll see those in my later videos. But beautiful entry for lighting for the first floor. We actually have it on the second floor as well too. This is it. You're looking at brand new flooring, from the joist work down to the sheathing. Of course, we couldn't save that. What we did save was the sheathing and the studs of the house. I mean, this wood, you can't, so hard to find. I mean, it's very good quality wood. It was well preserved. So we were able to save that, which saved us a lot of money. And we just pretty much had to build new flooring structure. We have beams. We actually have 2 more beams that are going to go here just to support this LVL. Now the spanning tables only call for 1 beam in the center at 10 feet, but I'm still going to put 2 just for extra support. And then we also have the end of the beam sitting on this chimney, which does have a footer going all the way down. So beautiful thing about this is we were able to use this chimney as a support column for our floor beams. So again, everything's just brand new so far. This is going to be, these are temporary stairs, by the way. We just put these just so we can access upstairs. The basement, we'll be putting some temporary stairs here as well to access down there, even though we have another walkway. This is an addition. So we needed a little bit more floor space. So we built this addition, which is a 40 by 12 foot addition. So huge space. And yes, 2 more huge glass windows here as well. So this is going to be a nice view for this room. It invites nature. I mean, look, you got this huge tree and all this greenery right outside. It's going to be a beautiful view right here. This addition will get split in half in the future, and half of it will be a bedroom, and then the other half, the front half that you're looking at now, will be my office. Nothing much to see out of the windows here, but again, plenty of green. So it's inviting. You know, the connection to nature you talk about. This will be an opening, a door opening. It was an existing window opening, so good thing it already has a header. And this was actually the front door opening. So again, it's structurally already suited for a doorway. This would be a doorway into this addition. But huge, just wide open space. This will be 2 bathrooms actually. We'll split this space into 2 bathrooms, one that serves this floor, and then one that serves a future addition that's going to be built right outside of here. This doorway will be the entranceway onto this addition. You can see the pre-existing foundation here. That doorway there will be an entryway into the bathroom that will be connected to this addition that's going to be in this space right here. All right, so this huge space. And as you see, yes, there used to be something here, a porch. We had to take it down. It was on some very bad foundational pillars, so we knocked it all down, and we'll be building a whole new foundation here a little bit later. I'll take you upstairs. It's beautiful up there. We got my temporary stairs. So top floor, a lot of interesting things that are going to be happening here. And as I come into this corner way, bada bang. It's nice how you can see 3 levels at once. Downstairs, this floor, and then this is going to be a loft. The attic we opened up. We don't have to put insulation because our insulation is going to be on top, so it'll still be a conditioned space, but that attic is going to be a loft. We'll have a spiral stairs to access it right next to the chimney. So far you're looking at this. One side will be my children's room, and then you'll come into this other side. Again, 2 huge windows. The master bedroom will start right here. So as soon as you walk into this bedroom, you got these 2 gigantic windows for outside. Now, these are stationary windows. They're just glass panels. You can't open them. So to still have some ventilation, natural ventilation, I have regular double hung bedroom windows that'll go here, or, you know, regular windows that go here. The bathroom will be in the back. This will be the master suite. And the master suite will have a vaulted ceiling. Yeah, so you'll be able to see up into the attic space. Bathroom in the back. The bathroom will have a window itself too. So it's coming together so far. We haven't started the interior framing just yet. I mean, well, you see a wall here, and this is, again, just to support the LVL beam. But we haven't started, you know, all the interior framing to like create all the walls for room separations and stuff. So just kind of showing you what the structure of everything looks like so far. I had to keep this roof. I mean, the beautiful framing on this 98-year-old roof is just something I had to keep. So all this will be exposed. It'll be open. It'll be vaulted. I mean, I love it. It's art. It's art that I wanted to preserve. So I'm preserving as much as I can. I don't have my ladder set up right now, so we can't exactly go up onto the attic space, but in another video, I'll take you up there. But just wanted to give you all a sense of what was happening so far. So this is the addition. Now the roofs, all of our roofs will be insulated from the top. So right now for this roof, we just put 6 mil plastic down just to protect it from the rain until we get to the stage where we are insulating it from the top. Nice walkable surface though. You know, somebody was asking me about decks and you want to build a deck in them. I don't really got to put the money in the deck. I mean, when you have a property with all this green space and you're connected to it and it's just right outside your house. I mean, again, You know, this is a 3-acre property. I don't need a deck. If I want to enjoy the outside, I'll just go outside. So I don't need any rooftop decks is what I'm saying. We may have a small deck at the bottom level, but we don't need a rooftop deck. So here we are. Now quickly I'll take you downstairs. Now this porch, of course, will be getting rebuilt. Downstairs is a couple interesting things. I'm not going to really have it accessible for my children, but I will use this place for storage. You know, building supplies, tools. The height is about 6 foot and a couple inches, depending on where you stand on the floor. Now, this, oh man, this is beautiful. I'm not going to lift it up now, but this is a well that is, I mean, probably 25 to 30 foot deep. Let me throw my gloves on. I actually can't resist. We have it covered up now. I don't want to cover it up permanently. I mean, this is like something right out of a movie. You can't even really see, but yeah, it's 20, 30 feet deep, this well right here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do something to cover it. Well, there's a lot of dust. But yeah. So, probably most interesting thing about this, or one of the most interesting things about the house. But anyway, rugged basement. And yes, I gotta clean it up, and well, I mean, we cleaned it up a lot, but nice, sturdy, strong foundation. That's the best thing about the house. This foundation is strong. I mean, it's just a big hunk of concrete, and this is why I chose to not knock the building down and just to build and preserve what I could. Again, you see here, we have 2 support posts that are holding up these LVLs. Now, these support posts are load bearing. However, the LVLs do sit bearing on both sides and are structurally sound. So it was easy for us to put these posts in, and we dug footers 26 inches into the ground, put the posts in. However, if these beams fell, the support post fell, the LVL beam still wouldn't go anywhere because it's bearing on both sides. On the foundational wall, and this one on the chimney wall. So this is it so far. And would love to keep everybody updated and inspired, as I know I'm inspired by a lot of the videos that I watch of people doing these type of conversions. Yeah, just stay tuned and keep following the channel and the build. If I can answer any questions, if you know anybody has any insight, I'm always open. I'm always learning. So this is it. This is what I love doing, taking old buildings and converting them into livable, usable spaces. Core construction. Just kind of giving you an outside tour. We haven't finished the zip tape on this side yet. You never finish. I mean, every day you leave the site, there's 23 things you got to finish. It's just kind of how it is. But beautiful, beautiful process, man. A process that teaches you a lot as you're doing it. This is a new foundation, 36 inches into the ground, all the way around. And just the back side. It's getting there. Yep. This again, the beautiful serenity that the environment fosters. All this green space. all around the property. All of this.